How to expand brackets when a number divides an expression inside them. This operation is possible and applicable. In symbols, we have the following shown on screen. The condition to apply this property is that C must not be 0. This property derives from the properties of a fraction with a common denominator. Since fractions represent an alternative method of expressing division, we can write the following shown on screen, which we already know is true. Hence, the property is confirmed. In words, we can express this property as a number that divides an expression inside brackets, divides all terms in the brackets when expanding them. We have the following shown on screen. Example. Simplify the expression, we have the following shown on screen. Solution. Applying the properties discussed in this guide, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.2.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.2.5, how to expand two expressions inside brackets multiplied together. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.